Hi, eighth graders. Welcome to graduation season. I'm going to teach you how to, certainly not sing, but I'm going to teach you how to sign the national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner, in ASL today. And you should know that this is a Bell tradition that I think, as far as I can remember, we've always sang and signed the national anthem for graduation every single year. And so um, I might be hard for you at first, but please give the signs the respect they deserve. This is a really important part of Bell School, the deaf department, and the people who use sign language every day. So please respect the language. Don't be silly with it. Um, learn the signs and do them correctly, just like you would any other language you were gonna perform in. Okay. Um, Something you should know. Do not mirror my signs. For example, if I'm signing with my right arm, don't sign it with your left arm. Everything you should do with my right should be your right, and my left should be your left. Okay. Make sure you sign everything nice and clearly and crisply. We don't want to see, floppy hands, floppy arms. Everything should be nice and crisp and clean and tight, and it will look like it's equivalent to enunciating in English as opposed to mumbling. Oh, and everyone, please sign with your right hand as your dominant hand, okay? Even if you're a lefty, even if you prefer to sign with your left hand, just for the purposes of this song, please use your right hand as your dominant hand, okay? And I know it seems like a lot at first, but you're gonna like literally practice it so many times that you're gonna be totally sick of it by graduation day. Um, Please, as you watch, feel free to stop, pause, go back, replay, watch on, like a 0.5 speed, so it goes nice and slow, and just practice as many times as you need. Any questions you have, you can find me if I'm still here, or any of the deaf staff can help you out, or really any of the deaf department teachers or interpreters or anyone. So good luck, have fun, and happy graduation season. Okay, our first line is, "Oh, say, can you see?" We are signing, "Oh, say." You have a hand that's open, claw the fingers, and put it back and forth across your mouth like this. "Oh, say, can." Two S shapes, can. And then the hands come up and say, "You see." "Oh, say, can you see?" By the dawn's early light. By the dawn's, this is a sign for morning. This hand is down here. This hand comes up. By the dawn's early, so your middle finger comes down off your nose. Early light. That middle finger again flicks down and kind of does like a day movement. So by the dawn's early light. Let's put those two lines together. "Oh, say, can you see?" By the dawn's early light. Next is, "What so proudly we hailed." You have like an A shape, but stick the thumb out and draw the thumb kind of from your belly button up your chest. "What so proudly we hailed." So we have two H finger hand shapes. "What so proudly," one is on your forehead, one's in the neutral space. "We hailed." And it goes up like this. "What so proudly we hailed." "At the twilight's last gleaming." That's an easy one. Your non-dominant hand is flat like this. Your other arm sits on the elbow like this, and you kind of sparkle it down. "At the twilight's last gleaming." Let's put that all together. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Whose broad stripes and bright stars? So you take your non-dominant hand, you have a one hand shape. The other hand makes an A shape, and you take this part of your fingers, not the part where you see your fingernails, but this part where you could see your thumb, and sign whose. Whose. Okay? Whose broad stripes. We make this is called a modified C hand shape. Do two stripe shapes. So whose broad stripes and bright, this is the sign for bright, stars. Whose broad stripes and bright stars. This is probably the hardest line of the whole song. Through the perilous fight. So, two hands like this. One hand faces palm in, and you do a little space between your middle and ring finger. The other hand stays flat and goes through it. So through the perilous fight. We take two 8 shapes and count it on the syllables of the word. Perilous. You have 8 out, cross, flick out. Okay, that's perilous. Fight, we're signing war. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do those 2 lines again. Whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Okay, and then that will go right into the next line, or the ramparts we watched. So your hands have ended here. Take your right arm, or the ramparts we watched. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, and then your looking eyes come out and look around like that. So let's take it back from whose broad stars. Whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, or the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. We take our hands and kind of bring it from our chest. We're so gallantly streaming. We have this non-dominant hand again flat, the elbow on the hand, and sign a B or an open B for flag. And this should be nice and crisp. You shouldn't be signing it like this or like this. This hand should be nice and strong and firm, and this hand should be making a nice crisp flag shape. Okay? So we're so gallantly streaming. Getting close to the end, and the rocket's red glare. So we have this hand shape that's kind of a little bit out to the front, a little bit towards your right. And this hand is the shape of a rocket. And it comes from below and goes into the sky. Okay? And the rockets, we go right into the sign for red. Red glare. We used the sign earlier for bright. So, and the rockets, red glare. Right here, we're going to say the bomb's bursting in air. Take these hands that are already open from glare. You kind of bring these 2 hands together like a bomb is going to explode, and then they smack into each other like that. Make sure your hands are nice and quiet for this part, because often I see kids say, we don't want the smack noise, okay? Nice and gentle and quiet. So, and the rockets, red glare, the bombs bursting in air 3 times. The bombs bursting in air. From there we go, these hands stay on this side, and you kind of turn it around. Your dominant hand makes a pointer finger, and this palm switches out. And we're going to say gave proof. We're going from right to left, gave proof. Through the night, we're signing overnight. So this hand again, your non-dominant hand is flat. This hand scoops under. Through the night, through the night. So gave proof through the night. Next line, that our flag was still there. So we are now imagining that there's a kind of a flag in front of us to our right here. So we're going to say our non-dominant hand, palm up, make a Y hand shape with your dominant hand and say that, that. Now take 2 hands like a fist, like you're putting a flag post in the ground. That our flag was still there. We have 2 Y hand shapes, and they scoop from the bottom and go up. Still, and then we motion to that flag we're imagining there. So that our flag was still there. Now we're on our last couple of lines. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? So we're going to say, oh, say does that. This is the same sign as the last line. Oh, say does that star. We sang this earlier in the song. Star-spangled. We kind of have, maybe imagine the flag is right here. Spangled. The rest of the line is banner yet wave. And it kind of draws out wave. And so you do it to the whole end of that line. So, oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Or the land of the free. Take 2 hands and kind of circle them in front of you. Or the land, and when they get to crossed, we're going to sign free, of the free. So, or the land of the free, and the home of the brave. And the home, this is the sign for country. We have our non-dominant hand kind of crossed in front of us so we can see our forearm. And this dominant hand moves in a circle with a flat hand shape. And the home of the, this is a sign for like connected or feeling together. And the home of the brave. And we sign that and we hold our hands up in the air until the music cuts out and the music director tells you to stop. Now let's take it from the top, nice and slow. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, nice and quiet, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.